I was changing the oil yesterday on this, and I guess I tightened the plug a little too much. See that crack right there? When I filled it with oil, it was leaking out of that crack. So I drained it all out, took a look at it. Now I'm trying to figure out how to replace this piece because it connects to the oil pan underneath this canister looking thing. There's a wire here that I disconnected from the PTO underneath here. And then I can pull it out to give myself a little extra clearance around where that connects back there by the oil pan. So now I just gotta figure out how to get a wrench on that and loosen that fitting off the pan. Well, I determined it's an 18 millimeter. I just gotta get enough leverage to loosen it because that's a short little wrench I got. All right, so I got that old hose out. Like I said, this end was an 18 millimeter that goes into the pan. This side's 3/4. I put the plug back into the block just to stop any more oil dripping. I preemptively removed the 4 mounting bolts that mount the engine to the frame here. They are 1/2-inch bolts here, just because I think I'm gonna need a little extra clearance and lift the motor up off the frame to get the new hose installed once I get it. Taking a look underneath here, those 4 bolts, there's 1, 2, 3, and the other one's on the other side of this PTO unit. But they're just 1/2-inch. You need a long extension to get to the back ones, but you can get it up through the belts. I did end up removing this belt off of this one for the deck just because it was like pulling on the motor. This one I didn't take off, but I just left it for now. But that's what that looks like underneath. And then when I get the new hose in a couple of days, put it back right where it was supposed to. All right, so it's a few days later. I've got a replacement oil drain hose here that I got on Amazon, and I've got it threaded into the block. And as I mentioned earlier, I've removed those bolts for the engine from the frame, and then I just used my jack to lift it up a little bit, and I've got a piece of wood holding it up so I could get that thing a little bit easier threaded in there. Anyways, I got it tightened up. I used a little bit of thread, pipe thread sealant, and I've got it tightened up good. It's a little bit longer than the factory oil drain hose. I'm fine with that. I'll post a link to this in the video description. All right, so I got the oil filled back up. Checked the leaks. None so far. I'll have to figure out something for this longer oil tube because it is considerably longer and hangs down here quite a bit. Might just get something and clamp it up or screw it into here. I don't know. I'm gonna worry about it another day. Seems to work good. Got everything reconnected. I just need to redo my belt. I think I'm gonna end up replacing this because it's 3 years old. Yeah, so we're back in business. No more leaks. That's what it looks like. Threads on this one are much longer than the threads on this original one. It sticks out just about the same amount of threads. You can see that red. That's how much it stuck out from the pan. Looks like it's about the same. I mean, I tightened it up till it stopped turning, so I didn't want to go too hard and mess it up. But anyways, that's it for this quick little fix. If you like it, hit that thumbs up. Love it if you subscribe. Stay tuned for new videos. See you next time. Later.